The gin and tonic is a nearly perfect summer drink. It's great for when it's hot, and actually it's a pretty good drink all year round. It's very simple too, really just 3 ingredients. So we're going to look today at how to make the perfect gin and tonic. To make this drink, you just need 3 ingredients. You need a lime or some other citrus fruit, like a lemon or whatever you fancy. You need some tonic water. And one of the cool things about this drink is that it's infinitely variable. You can have a Schweppes tonic water, you can get tonic water that you get from Trader Joe's, or you can get some of these flavored tonic waters that Fever Tree have started doing. I really like this elderflower one. And then your favorite gin. What I usually do is I keep the bottle of gin in the freezer, and then that way everything is cold. You'll also need some ice. It's helpful if you have a drink measure, but you can use a glass measuring jar, or if you like, even a shot glass. The main thing is the ratio of gin to tonic water is 1 part gin to 2 parts tonic. Once you've been making this for a while, you can come up with your own ratios, but if you start with that ratio, you won't go too far wrong. So first of all, you need to cut your citrus. So wash it first and then cut it. Lots of different ways to cut the citrus. I quite like wheels, so really you're going to make about a 3mm cut. And for this drink, I want to have 2 of them. The lime that you don't use, you can store somewhere else. So I'm going to put that in the fridge, and then when I want another drink, I can use it. What I'm going to do is put 5 ice cubes in there, 4 or 5 ice cubes. I like to put my glass in the freezer before I use it. I put everything in the freezer because it's nice and cold. Here's my tonic, a bottle opener. I'm going to take my gin and measure it. It doesn't really matter what your measure is, although you don't want to go too strong. So, measure of gin. That's going to go in there. And I get my tonic water. I'm going to pop my lime in. 2 measures of tonic water. 1, 2. Give it a quick stir. Okay, let's give it a try. That's really good. And that's really all there is to it. Things you can try a little bit more tonic water, a little bit more gin if you like, but generally a bit more tonic water than the 2-to-1 is my preference. Different kinds of citrus, lemons are great. And also try different gins because they're infused with different herbs, and tonic waters are infused with different herbs and spices and stuff. So give it a try. It's a great drink. Enjoy.